Hey guys, Udie Vlogs here, and today
And PK.
yeah, and my friend is joining. And today we're gonna be playing Build a Boat.
This looks like a donut.
A square donut. We're building a square
I'm
donut.
just kidding. No, we're not. We're building a boat.
Okay, we're building a boat. It's gonna take forever. Let's do some fun time. Let's have some fun.
Yeah,
While she
well,
builds.
I build.
I got Robux, as you can see. We didn't really plan on doing a scary game because it just had too much sound and you couldn't even hear my voice. So we just said, hey, let's build a boat since it doesn't really have any sound.
Well, it has sound, but like it doesn't.
But it has,
not that loud.
yeah, it has sound, but it's just not that loud. So we are going to be doing something awesome. And I'm a ninja. I'm a ninja. See, it's easy to tell because it's easy to tell because I have dizzy eyes and a bandit, and I have one of those thingies that go around your head. The things, I don't know.
You get it.
Yeah. And I have a sleepy koala with me, and I have a wolf tail, and I have a ninja animation. So I'm a ninja with ninja things. The only animation that I don't have that's ninja-like is a swimming animation. I like to swim fancy.
Yeah, like that animation.
I really like this
Chill.
one. It's chill. Yeah, it's chill.
Most people like the ninja animation.
Yeah.
But most people prefer the swimming animation.
Yeah.
Is the pretty.
The pretty one.
There's
also, there's an elderly animation.
There is.
Yeah, there is an elderly animation. Like, it goes like, ugh, I'm so old. Like, help! I've fallen! I can't get up!
Do you want to see something cool?
What?
Bam.
Whoa! I don't even know how you can get on that.
I'm going to try and make a...
What was that?
I tried... Wait, what happened?
What was that? No! I lost connection!
Bruh.
Anyway, well, my God. Duh!